Hey, this is Corey with Lux Trucks, Utility Bodywerks. I've got a 2025 Ford F450 Platinum Plus high output pickup. Let's get into it. Lux, get trucking. All right, guys, I got a customer provided 2025 Ford F450 pickup that we've done all the upfit on this with our bed. We're gonna go down through all these details. We also provide turnkey trucks as well. So you'll see on the Lux Haulers website, we have turnkey trucks available that we've ordered in. We've already upfit, they're ready to go. You can pick them up when they're completed. We have several in production right now that'll be available soon. And then you can always send me a truck just like this customer did, and you can pick out all the options, anything and everything in between. This was quite the detailed build, so I'm just gonna go through all of these options on this truck today. So truck started life as a 2025 Ford F450 pickup with the factory bed on it, high output engine, all the goodies, Platinum Plus. So the full Platinum Plus interior, smoke truffled, massage seats, heads up display, the sunroof, all that good stuff like the pickup comes. Then we've installed the Kelderman air suspension, front and rear, mechanical ride height controls. We've done the dual steering stabilizers from Kelderman as well. This truck we put on the ADF aluminum wheels with the Michelin Defender LTXs. I actually took this truck and got these put on before we had done the air ride. I wanted to see how much this changed the characteristics of the ride. And let me tell you, just the tire change going from the factory 19.5 tires to these Michelins is absolutely amazing. I wouldn't have believed it until I actually took it for the test ride. And now with the air suspension, I'm pretty sure it rides better than some cars that I've been in, for sure. This truck rides absolutely amazing, and it keeps a very similar load rating. So that's gonna be the next question. Well, yeah, you change the tires, now they're less load rating. I'd have to look at the exact specs, but we were able to get a tire that was almost identical size to the factory tire and almost maintain the same load range. So it was a great swap. This customer is just absolutely wanting the best ride possible to go with it. We've done the Centromatic wheel balancers, absolutely amazing. So these little rings go in, if you haven't seen them before, they slide on before the wheel goes on. And now this tire is balanced for life. No matter what you do, wheel tire package, as long as you put that ring back on, you never have to balance anything. So it's a great investment to never have to mess with that again. If something happens and you've got to get a new tire or of course, whatever you would have to do to possibly balance the tire, now you don't have to mess with that. So going down through the list, we've installed a trailer saver hitch. You've seen those probably in the different videos that we've done. We did a little bit different setup. So my question is always going to be kind of what the end use for the truck is going to be. I'm always going to ask you what your desired hitch height is there. And there's a lot of things to talk through with the air ride, not giving up any ride height. So like your leaf spring, your factory leaf spring, the truck may give up 2, 3, 4, 5 inches. Just depends on how heavy a pin weight you have. So worked with this customer and his fifth wheel manufacturer to make sure that we've got this hitch height sitting right where it is. So you might not have seen this before, but this is Trailer Saver's puck adapter. They call it the underbed hitch adapter for the TSL B2H. So adapts the TSL B2H that we put in the bigger trucks and goes into the puck system. And that's what this customer wanted, so that's what we did. So that's why we've got this little bit different setup that you've seen before. Still quick releases the hitch out of the puck and gets us the desired hitch height. And then all of the goodies of it being able to still do a gooseneck if you want to swap that head out. Trailer Saver in the last year or so redesigned the hitch and added these safety chain tie downs for a gooseneck. And then you just swap that head out for the gooseneck ball. We paint matched the grill. We paint matched the valance below, paint matched the side mirror. So the customer is wanting basically, you know, what you see here. He wanted to white this truck out with some chrome as accents, and then towards the end here we ended up adding the boat mat material, the foam, and he picked all that stuff out, designed it, had it sent to us. We helped him with the dimensions, and so he wanted just a little pop of red. So we took this red that's, you know, the high output emblem from Ford, and tried to match that up the best we can with the options that were available for the foam, and then we actually paint matched his tow hooks red as well. Installed those white valance lights. It gives a really cool running light look. So those will be on during the day with its running lights and tied in with the marker lights like you can see there. The bed is our Elite 57 for the pickups. So again, this truck started life as a pickup. So if you don't know, the cab to axle is the most critical thing when we're talking about what bed is going to be the correct application for the truck that you have or the chassis that you have. So a pickup is currently always going to be 3 to 4 inches shorter than like a cab chassis like this silver Ram here. So this is a 60 CA Elite, looks like the same thing, but the cab chassis are always going to be, again, 3 to 4 inches longer from the back of the cab to the center of the rear axle. So if we were to try to set this bed on that pickup, the wheel well here would be jammed up against the tire because it would be too close to the cab. So when we're talking Elite 57, Elite 60s, we throw those numbers around. Again, it's always based on the cab to axle of the truck. So I tell guys, it doesn't matter to me if it's a day cab, extended cab, crew cab, you went and had it stretched and did a 6-door. As long as the cab to axle is right, that's what affects my bed. We did a little bit more of an old school, looks beautiful though, and we can do it. It's an option. These fixed running boards, so we've manufactured those in-house. We've changed this front skirt a little bit so that this whole body line lines up across the truck from the running board into the bottom skirts there and then all the way into the tail. So it just keeps that nice body line. Everything's uniform. We've actually even made molded formed aluminum mud flaps for the front as well, so all this integrates into the truck. So most of the time you're going to see probably like a power steps that have become very popular. But again, this is what the customer wanted. We can customize and build, for the most part, anything you want. We don't go completely custom one-off everything, but we will customize as long as it makes sense for us as well. One of the things that we can do, again, with customization, this customer wanted everything we do and he wanted it his way, and it worked out for us, so we did it. We've done automatic compartment lights. This is something that we're testing out. You've probably seen a couple other videos. We're working with a few customers to see how all this works. We just want to make sure that it's proven out because they are tied directly to the battery. So if for some reason a door is left open or that switch malfunctions, it's going to be pulling power. It's hot all the time. We did the boat mat inside the compartments. Again, I worked with this customer to get these dimensions and get this boat mat made for each compartment. So they're actually cut and made specifically for each compartment. So again, automatic lighting there. All of our compartments are LED lit. That's standard. The automatic lighting is something that we're working on. Right now, it's still standard to just have it on a switch. Boat mat material in there. And then we did the white lizard skin in here. That is an option. We can do that. It definitely brightens up the compartments, makes it much easier to see in there, but the drawback is, it's white. It's going to show dirt. It's going to get dirty. This is not really going to be used for a work truck, obviously. This guy is going to be traveling all over the country with this truck, and it's going to be a beautiful accent showpiece tow vehicle for the wonderful fifth wheel that he's getting built. And the whole color scheme with the truck, the white, the chrome, and the red and everything is all built to match his coach. So maybe if I get some photos of that, I can post it all up. We did the amp steps here, the bed steps. Again, we painted them white. You've seen those before, but we've painted the step white so when it's retracted, again, it all blends in with the truck. We've done the boat mat in the bed liner instead. So we've painted all this to match. Again, we worked with the company to get this all made the way the customer wanted it. He actually has a theme, kind of a logo for all the traveling he's going to be doing. So border to border, coast to coast. He actually has a matching license plate for the truck and then a opposite for the coach, coast to coast, border to border. So if you see it out there, you'll know who it is. We took the rigid lights apart and painted all the bezels for those. We painted the 7-ways. We paint matched everything that he wanted paint matched. Paint match the bezels. That's something that we normally do on ours. He provided the lights. He wanted these clear lights, so it gives the truck a total different look. You know, they're still going to light up red, but they're going to be a clear lens. So when the truck's off, it all looks very uniform. When it's on, obviously, they need to be the colors that they need to be to get down the road. But those are things that I can work with you as a customer when you're calling in and you're saying, well, you know, what would this look like? What would that look like? I can walk us through what this thing's going to look like in the end. So if you select, well, you know, it's Platinum Plus, comes with painted fender flares, I'll just take the standard flare. So I'm going to talk to you about the standard flare is going to be black. Do we want a black flare on the back compared to white flare on the front? To me, I want to be as matchy as possible to what we got going on the level of trim on the cab. So again, that's what I worked with this customer. The door handles are like a brushed or satin aluminum look. The closest I can do is these chrome handles. The doors don't have any exposed hinges. My doors do, but what can I do? I can paint match them to kind of blend it away at the body. Again, trying to keep this as uniform and aesthetically pleasing as possible. We've put the paint film on here to protect the leading edges. This is actually a flare that we had come up with for the newer GM trucks because we can actually put the marker light that comes in this fender flare. The customer wanted these. That's what the customer gets. So we built these, put it on the floor. We don't normally, but again, we can customize. We can do what you want to do. Not a problem. We did the step bumper back here with the pickups. As always, at least currently, we can integrate all of the goodies that you want. So a lot of guys want all those options from the factory to work, right? You've spent $110,000 on this truck before it ever gets to me. You want your tailgate camera to work. You want your backup sensors to work. You want the blind spot radars to work. So those guys are hidden in behind here. So that's how all that works. We notch light pylons so that you keep the use of your high mount camera, third brake light, cargo light, all those things that you paid for from the factory. You bring it to me, I'm going to make sure that it works on my bed. Rigid lights up top. Again, we've got our stop turn tail lights. So again, this isn't the lights that we typically use, but these are the ones that the customer wanted to go with. He provided those and it looks amazing. So paint match, chrome, a dash of red, and clear lenses to match all the rest of the clear lenses on the truck. This truck is absolutely amazing. Give me a call today so I can get yours built for you. And as always, stay safe and keep on trucking.